What's poppin'? What's good? What's good with y'all? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? It's your boy Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video, there's gonna be a trade breakdown. Like you guys, okay, let me relax. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. What's good with y'all? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys had a wonderful trading week. That's the last day of the week, and obviously there's a new month. Jude, the super Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be a potential direction breakdown video. I'll be looking for potential direction for today, but not only for today, but mainly for the NFP. Because you guys, some guys out there, not saying most of my YouTube viewers or my community members, but like most of y'all people trade fundamentals, right? So with that being said, I did share such video before on, I think, the last NFP. I did share that we'll be looking for the potential direction. We don't know, are we going to buy or are we going to sell? Are we going to be bullish or be bearish? But fortunately, price did go in our direction like we anticipated. So I will share potential direction for the coming few hours. I don't know what time is it, 14:30 in Southern Africa. I think it's like 8 a.m. in the United States or 8:30 a.m. I'm not sure. But yeah, financial disclaimer, everything I say or do is entirely based off my own experience and my own opinion. Shit might happen, shit might not happen. All we can manage to do is to just stay disciplined, consistent, patient, and to just follow our rules and enjoy our trading. So I think I'll break down three pairs. Two pairs on two pairs being Nasdaq and gold because they're my favorite pairs, and one pair being Euro USD being a bonus, right? So now, enough capping. Because I strictly use the hourly time frame, but I base my trades on the 4 hour, right? But because now 4 hour for what I've realized is that some 4 hour charts don't look the same compared to some charts, right? They differ. So with that being said, the hourly gonna stay the hourly. Our hourly charts don't change based on time zones and time frames, right? That being said, when you guys can see that all we have right there is the NAS, we did say on our trade outlook that we're either looking for price to pull back on our what, on our resistance or our highs in anticipation of what, a new higher high, with what, in anticipation of a higher high and a potential higher low, looking for the new higher high. So price creating that higher high and impulsively pulling back, right? Creating that higher low, we can say. So with this push phase that we had yesterday and that we are having right now on our current market price, all I can say, or all I'll be looking for today, or what we can expect to see, is that because you can tell that prices created this high, right? Prices created this highs and prices tapped into our what? Our highs again, failing to break above our highs, right? But with that being said, because now price created a higher high and price reacted off of a higher high, failing to break above that higher high, right? All I can simply say is if we get a close above our zone, above our highs, let's just wait for that pullback or that retest in anticipation of a continuation to the upside. But if we get price reacting off of our high, failing to break above or failing to break this high, then let's look for that bear momentum in anticipation of a bullish depletion, bear momentum, anticipation of a reversal to the upside, to the downside, because I still anticipate this potential rising wedge, right? This pennant or the symmetric triangle that you see, but I just say this is a rising wedge. So long as price fails to break like I anticipate, then I would look for that move to the downside. But if price breaks above this highs and comes back for the retest, then we anticipate that continuation to the upside. So people, this will be NFP. A lot of things will happen because I strictly focus on my price action. I trade my pure price action and I follow trend and I trade what is happening on the charts. It might happen, it might not happen, I repeat, but all I can simply manage to do is to just follow price, let price do what it has to do, and all I can manage to do is to just stay disciplined and just accept the risk that I'll take. So on the next, I'm just waiting for that close above to anticipate a continuation to the upside or fail to break and look for that move to the downside, right? So looking at our second pair, gold. So people, gold has a few explanations that I need to break down, because you guys remember on our outlook, because now I'm talking of our outlook, gold has created the support, right? If you see, gold once had the support.
Oh, are you still watching the video right now? I'm sorry for the interruption, but like you guys know it that the HSCC and Circle of Traders, they have partnered. What is the HSCC? The HSCC is the Highly Street Crypto Trading, it's the Highly Street Crypto Club, which was started and founded by Mr. Rafsay with a 12-year experience in the crypto markets. The HSCC is a arbitrage crypto trading platform which has led into becoming one of the biggest trading platforms in the world. At the HSCC, they are highly committed into building an ecosystem arbitrage trading crypto platform which generates profits for all retail investors around the globe. They have 4 different plans to earn and invest hefty profits from. You don't want to miss this deal. They start with as little as $50 up and until an unlimited funded deal, right? It depends on what you're comfortable with and what you'll be willing to take part from. I'm gonna leave the link on the description, I'm gonna leave the link on my bio, and I'm gonna make sure that Circle of Traders and the HSCC help you out in the crypto markets from beginner up and until to professional all the way. You don't want to miss this great deal. Take part into it and something from it, and let the HSCC and Circle of Traders be there for you in the crypto markets. We're signing out.
Which I always spoke about on my outlook, right? And price has created some sort of what? Some sort of resistance right there, right? So all I can say is, or all I'm looking for right now on the NFP on gold, it's that gold did have a breakout or a break below of our support zone, right? Pushing to the downside, right? So with price coming to the downside and continuing on moving to the upside with higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So when I look at my current price, oh, sorry about this one. When I look at my current price, you can simply tell that price has created this very same high, right? And came back again to the very same high. We now have a double top, right? But if you look at where or why is price reacting off of this zone, you can simply tell that price has once had this highs. It's not the first time price is creating this zone, or it's not the first time we see price reacting on this zone. Price has once created this zone, right? And price is now reacting off of it like it once did. You see people, so price once came and pushed to the downside, came back again the second time and impulsively pushed to the downside, coming back again for the fourth and the fifth time, and you kind of see some sort of reaction. So all I can say is on gold, it's that if we can get the break below or with a fail to break, okay, I did something wrong, Okay, I repeat, if we can get now this break below on gold, like we see that prices reacting off of the previous zone, off of the previous highs, and we're failing to break the previous highs, if we can get the momentum pushing to the downside, breaking below the support, then we need that retest in anticipation of a continuation to the downside. But as long as price is still trading above the support, then I will still look for that move to the upside. But if we also get a break above the highs, then we still look for what? That anticipation of what? A continuation to the upside, and that will be it, people. So gold, I kind of like have 3 anticipations. If we break above the highs, we continue moving to the upside. If we fail to break the highs, we look for that bear move to the downside. But long as we're trading above our support, then we'll still look for those anticipations of a continuation to the what? To the upside. And that gonna be it on gold. I repeat, people, this is NFP. A lot of things will happen, but all we can manage to do is to just follow price and just stay disciplined, right? The last pair that I said, it's that we're having a bonus, which is the Euro USD. So Euro USD, people, I don't need to break down on higher time frames, right? But you can simply tell that price was trading in a clean bear channel. Price was trading in a clean bear channel. Price was creating lows, and price was breaking below what? Below our lows. Price was creating lows, and price was trading below our lows. Price was breaking lows, and price was trading below our lows. So obviously, with now price moving like this, breaking lows or trading below our lows, right? with that word, that lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high movement. And all you can simply see, and all I can simply want to show you guys is that price had this type of what? This type of head and shoulder formation, and price did what? Had this impulsive move to the upside. So obviously, with now price having this impulsive move to the upside, if you can see on this current price, what's currently happening right there, if I can zoom out, if you guys can see what's currently happening right there, if I can zoom out, you can simply tell that we are having that potential what? That potential rising wedge formation, right? So obviously you guys know it that like if we have a rising wedge, we all need to look for that what? That move to the downside, right? But if now, because price is doing what now? Price is breaking highs. Price is now breaking highs, right? So because now price was breaking lows below with that lower low, lower high. And now when you look at our current price is kind of like doing what? Guys, price is kind of like breaking highs, creating new highs. All I can say is, or all that I'm legitimately looking for, it's that I anticipate a potential rising wedge formation. If I can get price trading on my lows, below my lows, or if I can get that momentum breaking below my lows, then I would simply anticipate what? A continuation to the downside, people. You understand me? But as long as price is still creating highs, or long as price is still breaking above our highs, then I would look for what? An anticipation of a continuation to the upside, in anticipation of higher highs and higher lows, from price having that bear move to the downside, that bear channel to the downside with lower lows and lower highs, and price breaking that bear channel in anticipation of what? That new higher high, higher low direction. That will be it. But I repeat, people, I see a potential rising wedge. If I break out, or if I break below my lows, then I'll continue moving to the downside. But if I continue with the higher high, higher low formation, then I just follow price, and that will be it. That will be it, people. So that's your boy, people. That's all I got on this video. I won't say much. I won't break down anything further or anything more. But all I'm just trying to let you guys understand is that the power of planning your trades and the power of trading your plans will forever be the ultimate flex in the Forex industry. Whether you win those trades, whether you lose those trades, or whether you do things that do align with your trading plans, but price don't go your way, long as you accepted the risk and long as you stay disciplined and followed your plans, that's the ultimate flex. Without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.